Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here it is. You can't see that. Let me back it up a little bit. These are 26-inch wheels and tires. So the reason why I chose these tires is because of the load rating. They're 26-inch tires. They're 305 30 26 with a 116W load rating. So they are the proper load rating for the tires. I know they're 26 inches. I know they have little rubber bands, but the sidewall is supposed to be extremely strong and ready for a truck. But when I am towing heavy, I will take these tires off and put my factory wheels on. So let me show you what I'm talking about, what could have been bad. And it's not just on one tire, on 3 of the tires, 3 out of the 4 tires, I had some real bad problems, some issues that could have been just horrible for me and her as we traveled down the road. So thank God that he kept us. In the middle of nowhere, you see the truck, you see the motorcycle on the back because it is 28 degrees outside. I am in Terralingua, Texas. Like literally Mexico is just right behind me, right over there. I got the truck, I got the trailer, and I got the motorcycle. So let me show you this right here. Outside looks pretty good except for this. Oh my gosh, these things are heavy. Except for this right here. Can you see that right there? I don't know if you can see that or not. See that? But let me show you. See this? You see that right there? That right there. That could have caused a blowout. That could have caused the truck to go out of control, and we could have had a bad accident. That right there. Look how, I don't know if you see how deep that is. You see how deep that is? You see how long that is? Thank God that he kept us because it could have been really, really bad. And that was just one. So again, let me show you the other ones. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, so you can see this wheel here. Good shape. Look at the tread right here. The inside tread is wearing just a little bit more than the outside tread, just a little bit more. But let me show you what the problem is with this tire. And again, guys, I wash my truck. I get in there, I wipe out the wheels and everything. They don't look like it now, but I wipe out the wheels. I look at my truck. I can't believe that this was like this. The speed limit was 80. I had a truck trailer with the motorcycle on it. And again, more importantly, my daughter in the car. This could have been bad. It's kind of hard to find. Oh no, it's not too hard to find. All right, let me show you. All right guys, can you see it? Look at that. I don't know if the sun's gonna let you see it. You see that? See that separation? It's split right there, all the way to here on the inside. That's crazy. So you can see wires in there. It's split from here all the way to here. You see that? From here all the way to there, it's split. That right there could have been bad if this thing would have blown out. I don't know if this was on the front or the back or whatever, but I thank God he kept us again. That's two. Two would have been bad. One would have been bad because one could have made the truck go out of control, trailer go to the side, flip us over and killed us or whatever. But one was bad, two was horrible. But let me show you the third one. Well, looking at this one, this actually is, there's nothing, I don't see anything wrong with this one, but I didn't see anything wrong with the other ones either. At first look. Okay, so I don't think there's anything wrong with this one. It don't matter because it's coming off the truck too. It must be the other one. Let me go get it. All right, so let me show you this one right here. Remember I told you, so we had 2 out of 3 bad so far. This one has excessive wear. I mean, it's really bad. Big old gouge out of it right there. But There's no way that I would have took a road trip with these tires looking like this. No way. I saw the outside of it. I mean, I think this was even on the back. But let me show you how bad this tire is. Look at that. This was a problem that's been going on a long time. You can even see the way it's rolling. You can see the separation right here. I've been down there cleaning these wheels, even washing the inside of the wheels and just trying to keep my truck clean. And I never saw that the inside of these tires was wearing out like that. And I never, I mean, that split would have been hard to see if I would have saw that these wires was hanging out. This tire, I would have definitely replaced it and then probably looked further. So I thank God that he kept us safe and gave me grace to correct the problem. Now, this is what I had in mind the whole time. Now, the front is lifted up about 1.5 inches or leveled 1.5 inches. It's supposed to be a leveling kit, but it seems like the back is not completely level. It needs to come up just a little bit more. I was towing with this truck with a trailer weighing 3,200 pounds, 3 motorcycles in the back weighing 1,000 pounds apiece, all the way to South Florida and back here. And then when I'm towing, it squats a lot because if you got 6,200 pounds or 6,300 pounds of weight on the back of it, it really squats. The best solution would be to add airbags to it. I know a lot of times when you get 26-inch wheels and tires, they're not easy to balance. These were easy to balance, 85 miles per hour. They're great. Not saying that those little bitty rubber band tires are bad, but they did not work for me. These, on the other hand, work perfectly. Well, other than the road noise and the loss of fuel mileage because the truck's lifted in the front a little bit and these big old wheels and tires are way heavier than the stock ones. But Super Cruise works, all the other things work on it, and yeah, I think it looks so much better. So I'm going to end this video here. Just wanted to make this video. I know this is a motorcycle channel that has motorcycle content, but I like to mix it up every now and then. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Again, more motorcycle content coming your way, possibly tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day. If you'd like to get your truck or your motorcycle detailed, make sure you reach out to Free Agent Detail. They did a phenomenal job on my truck and my motorcycle.